Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the most wonderful time of the year. I know there's probably a million Sephora videos in your feed right now, so thank you so much for clicking on mine. I've done a couple of Sephora sale related videos already for this particular sale, so if you are curious, I have a whole playlist I will link down below for you guys, but Sephora only does this 2 times a year, so it's a big deal, and the fact that this one is right around the holidays after all of the holiday kits have released is like super exciting. We're gonna go through some of the holiday kits that have been released on Sephora's website, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts. Do I think it's worth it? Do I think it's a good gift? Is it a good deal? There's a lot. There's hundreds of gift sets and it would take me hours to go through them all, so I'm just gonna kind of scroll and pick out my favorite. The very first kit that pops up is by Charlotte Tilbury. This is her Pillow Talk Lip Secrets set. I love Charlotte Tilbury. I love Pillow Talk. I think this is a great gift for somebody. It would make a great stocking stuffer. It says it's a $71 value for $45. I actually think that's a pretty accurate assumption. Next thing I see that really catches my eye is by Olaplex. It is their Healthy Hair Essentials. It looks like a full size. Maybe these are deluxe size. That would make more sense. So it's $60 and it has a shampoo, conditioner, and their number 3 and their oil, their hair oil. I have tried Olaplex. It's good. It's not my favorite hair care brand or hair care system. I feel like if you've been really wanting to try out the line, this is an excellent way to do that. A really good way to get your hands on a lot of the products all at once. These are usually $30 a bottle, so that's what makes me think these are probably like big, like travel size maybe. Okay, Tarte. Tarte always has a ton of holiday sets. They get so excited with their blushes even. So this is the Best of Blush Mini Amazonian Clay Cheek Set. There's 5 mini blushes. Those mini blushes will last you a very long time. I've had some that have lasted like years. I've actually gone through an entire full-size Tarte blush before, believe it or not. But these Amazonian Clay, they're good. So it has Exposed, which is amazing, Charmed, Delight, Captivating, and it looks like Fantasy is a highlighter. $39, a $79 value. This would make really cute stocking stuffer as well if you have like a teenage daughter or multiple daughters or girls or friends that you want to give blush to. So these Sephora Favorites kits are really nice. They typically will pick from like the best-selling brands, best-selling colors within their store and put together a kit that has a bunch of different brands and stuff in them. So the lip ones are always really good. There's typically an eyeliner one, typically a mascara one. This first one I see here is the Swipe of Lip Color Lipstick and Lip Balm set. Looks like there's a full-size Summer Fridays, a full-size Huda Beauty, a full-size... Are these all full-size? Okay, so the Clinique is a deluxe size. Oh, and the YSL is a deluxe size. Okay, these are good. This looks like it's a good value. Yeah, $95 value for $36. These lip sets are always really good. There's another one that I actually put on my Christmas list. It's the Give Me Some Lip Shine Lip Gloss and Plumper set. This one is really good. So it has a Pat McGrath lip gloss in it, a full-size Fenty Beauty cream lip gloss in it, a Huda Beauty, what is this, like I haven't tried it before, so that's exciting. There's a NARS and then there's a Milk Makeup. This one is really catching my eye. It's $83 or $83 value for $34. On the topic of lips, the Laneige Midnight Mini set is so cute. It's $18. It comes with 5 of the mini Laneige sleeping masks. I actually think these are really good. The flavors look really fun. So there's berry, which is normal, like the standard one. There's gummy bear, there's sweet candy, there's lemon, and then there's mint chocolate. So I just feel like these, again, with the stocking stuffer idea, or if you're giving to multiple people, or if you're like me and you just like the product and you want to try a bunch of different scents and maybe have a little lip cream everywhere, this is perfect. This other Sephora favorite, so it's the best-selling beauty must-haves set for $54. It's $166 value. Typically these are really good, and if you hadn't tried these products before, they would, I mean, this one is really good. So it has a miniature Natasha Denona Biba palette, a 3-pan. That's exclusive to this kit. I've never seen that product before. I do have the full-size Biba palette, so, and I think there's like a 5-pan that I have as well. So I don't need it, but I want it, and in order to get it, I'd have to buy this whole kit. There's a full-size Fenty Beauty mascara, the Milk Makeup primer is in there, which is really good. The Grande Lash MD Lash Serum in there is really good. There's a beauty blender in there. There's a Benefit, looks like the brow setter, not my favorite. Looks like maybe a NARS Laguna. There's a Way setting spray, the Kosas, what is that? Either a blush or a lip gloss, and then some other thing. So there's a couple of things in there that I'm like meh, but I really, really want that dang little Biba palette. So if you're a sheet mask lover or you have a sheet mask lover in your family, there's a kit called Holy Sheet. It's an $87 value for $48, and it's a bunch of different Sephora branded sheet masks. I love sheet masks. I know they're kind of wasteful and I try to stay away from them because they're not that great for the environment. But this is a really good way to try out like a bunch of different sheet masks. There's coconut, charcoal, matcha, lychee, pineapple, grapefruit, mango, cucumber. I mean, the list goes on and on. They have a bunch of them in here. It's cute. There's a kit by Grande Cosmetics that has, it looks like a full size of their lash serum, which is amazing, by the way, if you're looking to grow your lashes. Full size or deluxe size of the brow, and then a small version of the lash serum. So you get a full size and a small, and then the brow. It's a $124 value for 68 bucks. If you've been trying, like wanting to try out Grande Cosmetics, this is an excellent way to do it. Their products, they work, you guys. They take a little while, like a month to really see a difference, but once you start seeing a difference, it's good. So Fenty Beauty has a little kit that has some of their lip products in it. I really want to try one of those cream lip glosses, which is why that other Sephora Favorites kit really caught my attention. So one of those is in here, and then it looks like 3 of her lip glosses, which are actually really, really good. If this doesn't say, so it's $38, it doesn't say what the value is, but I'll be willing to bet it's a pretty decent value. It takes a long time to go through a lip gloss, let's be honest. So that's a good kit. Here's one, I don't know what's going on with Dyson, you guys. So I've actually tried the Dyson Airwrap. I bought the $550 Dyson Airwrap. I actually didn't like it and I ended up selling it. They've upped their price. Now it's $600. It's $599 for the same exact thing. You get the same attachments, the same everything. It's just a different color. It's like midnight blue and gold. It's a pass for me. Even if it was still $550, it's a pass for me. But now the fact that they upped it, I get the Dry Bar round brush hair dryer thing instead. That's worth it. Charlotte Tilbury has a mini airbrush flawless setting spray duo. This setting spray is so good, you guys. I have it right here. It's almost gone. I actually have a backup already. This says it's a $40 value for $29. I'm tempted to get this for myself. I'm actually gonna add it to my cart. I know I had said I already have a backup of that, but like it's not like it goes bad that quickly. This is a really good setting spray. I know these are mini bottles, but that's a good set for sure. Beauty Blender has a really cute little set with 3 sponges and a cleansing bar. It looks like ice cream scoop. So there's white, brown, and pink for like vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. It's a $78 value for $50. That seems right because these retail for $20 each. I love Beauty Blender. I have one of those right there too. I use it every single time I do my makeup. It's one of those products that is a holy grail, but I always forget to talk about. So if you're looking to stock up, this is a good way to get 3 of them plus a cleansing bar. Bobbi Brown has a little kit that has 3 of their Longwear cream eyeshadow sticks in it. I love eyeshadow sticks. I like the Bobbi Brown ones a lot. This has some pretty good colors in it as well. At least it looks like it. So there's Dusty Mauve with a shimmer finish, golden pink with a shimmer finish, and deep bronze. Really pretty colors. These are smaller sizes than normal, so it's a $50 value for $29. But again, it takes forever to go through a full eyeshadow stick. So this is actually something I might consider getting for my mom. She loves eyeshadow sticks as well. So I'm actually gonna add that one to my cart too. Maybe I'll get that for my mom. Laura Mercier has something very similar. I'd say the Bobbi Brown and the Laura Mercier, they're similar as far as quality goes with their eyeshadow sticks, so it just depends on color preference. This one says it's a $78 value for $29, so the same price. These are more cool toned colors. This has copper, amethyst, and cocoa. You know what? She probably would like these colors better. I'm gonna add this one to the cart. Great deal if you like eyeshadow sticks for sure. I debated getting this. So Replica is a perfume brand that doesn't have your traditional perfume scents. They basically try to replicate the smell of certain like atmospheres within your life. So for example, sitting by the fire, sitting at a jazz club, bubble bath, so stuff like that. I've been very curious, but perfume is one of those things that's really hard to buy online. You definitely have to go in store. I'm losing my voice, you guys. Sorry that my voice is getting raspy. So this is a set that has 3 like travel size, but with the spritz on top, replica perfumes. I'm not too sure about these scents that are in here. I would have to go in person to smell these, but if you have a replica fan in your family, this might be a good gift for them. There's a lot of holiday palettes. I'm not going to talk about that. I kind of want to keep this video specific to holiday kits, but as far as holiday palettes go, I am going to say I'm definitely buying the Hourglass holiday palette this year. The one for lighter skin tone. I think the packaging is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. It says it's all new colors, which has been my problem with Hourglass in the past. So although these aren't necessarily like a set, it does give you a chance to try out a highlighter, a bronzer, a setting powder, a blush. These tend to sell out really fast, so I'm surprised that one's not sold out yet. Okay, these Sephora perfume sets are really cool. They're kind of like the Sephora favorites with the lip gloss and the mascaras and stuff like that, but this one is $118 value for $68. It comes with, it looks like, I don't know, without counting, 12 little sample travel sizes of perfume, but it comes with a voucher to go back to the store and redeem it for a full-size bottle, which I think is super cool because it's a good way to give the gift of a perfume without buying a full-size bottle of a perfume that the person may or may not like. So this is just a really good way to give them a chance to smell the perfumes, wear the perfumes, figure out which one they like best, and then pick, but you're paying for it. You know, I think it's so cool. There is a cute little bronzer set that I really, really want. I think it's so cute. So it has a full-size hot cocoa bronzer and then a full-size hot cocoa lip gloss. I got the gingerbread version of this a couple years ago, and it's one of my favorite bronzers, like ever. This is just cute. It's just really cute. If you have a makeup lover in your life, this is just cute. The embossment on the bronzer is like a little hot cocoa mug. I definitely think this is cute. Benefit Cosmetics has this really cute Cheektopia mini brush and bronzer set. I like Benefit cheek products, but I hate their box packaging. I just think it takes up way too much space in my collection. But if you have been really wanting to try out Benefit products, they are good. They have good smell to them. This has, it looks like Hula Regular, Dallas, Georgia, Dandelion, and Sugar something or another. $85 value for $32. Again, you could break it up, use it as stocking stuffers. First Aid Beauty gift sets are always a really good value, and they usually have pretty good products in them. So this one's $112 value for $49, and it looks like it has Ultra Repair Cream, face wash, facial radiance pads, the bump eraser, which is a new product, and then the eye cream. Oh, I wanted to try that. The Niacinamide Brightening Eye Cream. These all look like they're full size or really, really big deluxe size samples. This is a good one. Hey guys, popping in here to show you that First Aid Beauty did end up sending me a couple of their holiday kits in PR to test out and share with you guys. If I'm not mistaken, I think one of these is an Ulta exclusive and the other one is a Sephora exclusive. I think this is the Sephora one that I was telling you about. And then this is the one that's available at Ulta. Either way, you can't go wrong. They are great values and they contain great products. So both of them have these full-size Ultra Repair creams. I love this stuff so much. It works, like I said, well on everything. You get these little travel size of the facial radiance pads. This one comes with the bump eraser and a travel size of the facial cleanser. That size will last you forever. And then a full size, which I'm super excited about, of the Niacinamide Eye Brightening Cream. I can't wait to try this. I'm super excited about it. So there's that. And then this one comes with, again, the trial size of the facial cleanser. This is a little teeny sample size of the Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. I don't think I've tried this before, so this is a great way to test it out. and then like a small travel size of the Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum. So both of these, great values, great products. You can't go wrong with either of them. Gotta love first aid beauty products, really. Living Proof has a dry shampoo holiday duo set. $52 value for $35. That's a really good dry shampoo if you're looking for a high-end dry shampoo. Doesn't leave a white cast or anything like that. I still think drugstores have good dry shampoos, so I tend to not buy the really expensive ones. The Charlotte Tilbury Advent Calendar, I don't know, you guys. It's $200, and everything in here looks to be deluxe size. I mean, there's a couple of full-size products in here. The one thing I really want that is exclusive to this calendar is the Eye Chameleon in Pillow Talk. It's not available individually yet. I've looked and I keep looking, and maybe it will be eventually, but it's not right now. Otherwise, it's kind of skincare heavy. If you've never tried Charlotte Tilbury before, this is a really good way to get a lot of her products. I don't know what the value of this advent calendar is, but I cannot imagine it's $200 is a lot of money. Okay, I'm gonna pick just a couple more and then we'll wrap this up because again, I said there's hundreds. This next one is by Slip, which makes hair ties. I actually have some Slip hair ties. They have the silk around them. They're really good at like at nighttime. I put my hair like in a bun on the top of my head, and I just feel like it's less abrasive. It doesn't damage my hair as much as a standard hair tie. Slip has a little ornament. It looks like there's 3 hair ties in here. Yeah, 3 hair ties in here for $22. It's actually not that bad. That would be a really cute stocking stuffer. Oh, there's a Sephora Favorites candle set. That's cool. If you're a high-end candle lover, this would be cool. $80 value for $50, and it looks like it comes with replica, nest, oh, fancy names I can't say. You know, I'm gonna be honest, I am a Bath & Body Works candle lover. I have one burning right there. They're just my favorite, okay? They just are. But if you like those fancy high-end candles, this would be a good gift, I think. Okay, last thing that's catching my eye that I do want to talk to you guys about is the Drybar Hot Shots Prime, Prep, and Protect set. I've actually fallen in love with Drybar products this year, so that's why this catches my eye and I'm excited about it. It says it's a $38 value for $25. It comes with their Hot Toddy Heat Protectant and their Pep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. I actually haven't tried that before. I love the Hot Toddy though, so this is a good way to try out some of their products, their heat protectant products, if you've never tried them before. I feel like I could scroll for hours and hours, and even though I said that's the last product, I'm like, is there any more? I just want to keep going. You know what? I do want to talk to you about, since I did Drybar, the Drybar round brush. I really love that brush. I discovered it this year. I talked about it a little bit earlier in this video. It's a good alternative to the Dyson hair wrap. They have a couple of sets that come with a bunch of Drybar products, like deluxe size samples of Drybar products. This one's $150, which is how much the brush costs by itself, plus you get your discount with the Sephora sale. But it's a $222 value. It comes with the shampoo, conditioner, the Hot Toddy, the Pep Rally, and the Detox Dry Shampoo. So that really is a really good gift. Okay, like I said, I could scroll forever, so I'm gonna force myself to stop so this video isn't an hour long, but those are some of the Sephora holiday gift sets that are really catching my attention this year. Again, I think gift sets, especially during the sale, are a great idea. Ooh, the sun is like on my face. Because you can get such a discount already on top of a discount because it's a gift set. So those are just some gift ideas I have for you guys, but happy shopping. Enjoy the most wonderful time of the year, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.